Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you about the topics isotopes, isobars, and isotones. So, here, first of all, we explain about the isotopes. Those elements which have same atomic number but different atomic masses are said to be in isotopes of each other. For example, here the carbon, which atomic number is 6 and its atomic masses is 12. The carbon, which atomic number is 6, atomic masses is 14, then they are said to be isotopes to each other because its atomic numbers are same but atomic masses are different. These atomic masses are different due to the difference number of protons, different number of the neutrons are present in nucleus of the carbon atoms, because here the 12 atomic mass of the first carbon atom, which proton number is 6 and neutron number is equal to the 12 minus 6 means 6. But in case of the second carbon atoms, which atomic number is 6 but its atomic masses are 14, then its proton number is 6 but here the neutron number is 14 minus 6 means 8. So here atomic masses are different due to the different number of neutrons present in the nucleus of same atom of an element. Then those elements which atomic numbers are same but atomic masses are different, then they are said to be isotopes to each other. Second example of the nitrogen 714, nitrogen 715, in which its atomic number is also same but here atomic masses are different. In case of the oxygen O816, O817, O818, means its atomic numbers are same but in the case of the atomic masses are different, 16, 17, 18. So due to the difference of the neutron numbers present in one atom of an element, in same element, in different but its atomic numbers are same, then it is also known as isotopes. Another examples also 1 H11, H11, H12, H13, means normal hydrogen has one atomic number, heavier hydrogen has one atomic number, heaviest hydrogen has one atomic number, but its atomic masses are differ from 1, 2 or 3, 1, 2 and 3, because the normal hydrogen has no neutron in the nucleus, it has only one proton in the nucleus. But in case of the heavier hydrogen, deuterium, which have the one proton and one neutron in the nucleus, due to its atomic masses are 2. But tritium, means heaviest hydrogen, which have the one proton number in the nucleus and two neutron number in the nucleus, due to atomic mass is equal to neutron number plus proton number. So 1 proton plus 2 neutron is equal to 3. So it also known as the isotopes of each other. So those elements which atomic numbers are same but atomic masses are different to each other, then it is said to be in isotopes. The also known as radioactive isotopes, those elements which atomic masses start to from 90 to above, 90 to more than 90, then these elements are known as radioactive elements. So uranium 235 its masses and atomic number is 92. Uranium 92 238, it is known as radioactive isotopes because its atomic mass number is more than 90, 92, 92, but its masses are different, 235 and 238. Its masses also will be different due to the difference number of the neutron is present in the nucleus of the an atom of uranium. So it is also known as isotopes. Its another name is given. This is known as radioactive isotopes. So you have learned about the completely isotopes. Those elements which have same atomic number but different atomic masses are said to be in isotopes. of each other. There are so many examples of it. Now we shall discuss about the isobars. Isobars. Here we shall discuss about the isobars. Isobars. Those elements, those elements which have same atomic masses but different atomic numbers is said to be in isobar. Said to be in isobar to each other. Example here. The argon 18 and 40, the calcium 20 and 40, are known as isobars. Second example, the potassium 19, 40, the calcium 20, 40, both are also known as isobars. Because here those elements which atomic numbers means atomic number of argon is 18 and the atomic number of calcium is 20. Its atomic numbers are different to each other, but its masses number are same. Atomic masses are same because here its argons which proton number is 18 but its neutron number is 22. Due to this reason, the mass number is equal to proton number plus neutron number, means 18 plus 22 is equal to 40, and the calcium which proton number is 20 and the neutron number is 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. So atomic mass is equal to 20 proton plus 20 neutron. It acquired the 40 atomic masses. So due to this reason, here the argon and calcium both have the atomic masses are same but atomic numbers are differ. Due to they are known as isobars. The second examples also here, the potassium and calcium. The potassium which atomic number is 19 and calcium which atomic number is 20, but its masses is also same because the potassium which proton number is 19, then it has the neutron number in the nucleus of the potassium. This is the 40 minus 19 is equal to 21. So neutron number is here, the potassium has the 21. In the case of the calcium, its proton number is 20 and the neutron number is 40 minus 20 means 20. So due to this reason, 20 plus 20 is equal to 40, 19 plus 21 is equal to 40. Due to they have both the potassium and calcium both have the same atomic masses but they have different atomic number, are said to be in isobars. Now third topic, but it is not in your class. So but you understand it clearly because it is important for your also higher classes. So you understand it about the isotones. Those elements which atomic number and atomic atomic masses are differ to each other, but its neutron numbers are same, but its neutrons number are same is said to be in isotones. Example here. This is the nitrogen isotope of the nitrogen 715 and isotope of oxygen 816. In this case, here the proton number and neutron number. Proton number of nitrogen is here 7, but here its neutron number is 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. So neutron number is same. The oxygen, which proton number is 8 and neutron number is also 8. So in the case of the nitrogen atom and isotopes of nitrogen and isotopes of oxygen, in which the atomic number 7 and 8 and atomic masses are 15 and 16, both are different to each other, but its neutrons number are same here, means neutrons number are same due to these elements, means nitrogen 7 and 15 and oxygen 8 and 16, both are said to be isotones.